Another quick little tip. On these maintenance minder systems, when the oil life gets to 15%, you'll have this nagging little light that comes on, and sometimes it can be difficult to figure out, okay, how do I acknowledge that? How do I turn it off? I'm pressing the buttons here, pressing the buttons here, nothing's happening. Well, in this case, what we want to do, we want to look for our little information button with the little eye right there, and all we have to do is press that, and bang, it goes away. It's that simple. Now that doesn't clear the system. All it does is acknowledge it for now. It will come on the next time we turn the key cycle, but it's letting us know, hey, we need to change the oil and do whatever other services are required. And once that service is done, then we should reset the maintenance minder. I'll show you how to actually reset the maintenance minder in another video, but in this video, I just wanted to show you how we can acknowledge that light, so that way we get it out of our face when we're driving. In any event, if this video helped you out or you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.